Hi friends, today I am going to present 150 Years of Emotion of Bharat Vande Mataram, written by the legendary Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Vande Mataram is an emotion of Bharat forever. This is very close to my heart. I had a privilege of rendering Vande Mataram in my school every day. Hope you all love it. वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्